Happy Friday, everybody. Today is Fact Friday, and the topic today is why you need an insulin test, even if your glucose is normal. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful. If you've had a normal blood sugar on a lab test and you were told everything is fine, you might be missing the bigger picture. Because long before your blood sugar becomes a problem, your insulin levels can be climbing behind the scenes silently, causing metabolic damage, weight gain, and inflammation. This is where the real story begins. Fasting glucose is a lagging indicator. It often stays in range until the cells have already become insulin resistant. Meanwhile, your pancreas is working overtime, pumping out more insulin to keep the glucose in check. And here's something else you might not have heard often. If you're dealing with shakiness, irritability, anxiety, intense hunger a couple hours after a carb-heavy meal, you may be experiencing reactive hypoglycemia. That's when your blood sugar drops too low after a meal because your body, specifically your pancreas, overshot insulin production. It's not just unpleasant, it's a flashing red light that you may be on the road to insulin resistance. Testing fasting insulin gives us a powerful early warning system before an A1C or a glucose ever rises. Ideally, fasting insulin should be under 5 micro-IUs per ml, but many people walk around with levels of above 10, even 20, and never know it. This isn't fringe science, this is the foundation of metabolic health. Ask your doctor for a fasting insulin test. If they say it's unnecessary or don't understand why you want it, advocate for yourself anyway. You deserve the full picture of your health, not just a small window. If this hit home, I dive even deeper into insulin resistance and its role in chronic disease in my long-form videos. You can start with my inflammation video or Fix Your Broken Hunger Signals. Both explain how insulin plays puppet master behind the scenes. So click that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who needs answers, not just prescriptions. I'll see you in the next video.